Okay guys, I just got my hair from DYHAIR777. So I got 3 bundles and a closure. I am going to be dyeing the hair black. I'm going to show you guys the hair. Go ahead and open this up. So this is the packaging. 26, 24, 28. They have their card, how to take care of the hair, their contact information. This says KISS. You know, they always send like some goodies. So I just opened up all the inches, the 28, the 24, and the 26. So these are the bundles. They are so long and they are so thick, as you can see from the ends. Alright, so I went ahead and put all the hair into my hair. I dyed the hair black, and this is how it ended up looking. It is so pretty. I ended up cutting layers and all of that into the hair because I had like a certain style that I wanted to do in mind, but something about that jet black hair hits different. So, but now I'm just going to show you guys the style that I wanted to do. It was kind of like an AALIYAH inspired hair look. She had just like very nice bangs and like very loose, big kind of curls. So that's the look I was going for today. So I'm just gonna curl up my hair, show you guys how I curl my hair too with a straightener, and I hope you guys enjoy this hair. Like I said, it was from DYHAIR777, and all of their links will be down below in the description box. I love this hair. It was so soft, you guys. It's amazing. A lot of people think this is my natural hair too, so that just goes to show you that the luster and everything of this hair is so nice, and I love it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let the video go on and I will come back later. So yeah, you can definitely just ignore the little makeup that I have on this black shirt. But right now I finished the curls and I'm just moving on to the bangs, and I'm just curling them kind of just under, and I just brush them out, kind of make them fluffy looking. The thing about AALIYAH, her hair always looked like, she always looked so polished but like so effortless. So that's just basically how I was trying to do my hair today. But that's basically it. It's super easy, it was super quick. And I love this hairstyle. It's super good for like I feel like this is a nice everyday type of hairstyle look. But you guys, this hair was absolutely amazing. And make sure you guys check out my description box and subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you in my